Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this VIVO. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down and click on Font Style. Now you can tap on one of those fonts and select Apply at the bottom. Then wait. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. But you can also access exactly the same settings. But this time click on Download More at the bottom. Now pick any of those fonts. I will go with Alter Ego. Click on Download. Wait couple of seconds and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, style of my text has changed again. In order to go back to your default font style, click on Display and Brightness, Font Style, and Default. Lastly, hit on Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!